Hi guys, thank you for clicking on this video. If this is your first time coming on this page, please subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, please list them below. Please follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Information is on the screen. Let's get to today's video. Guys, how I use my blender. I love it. So I am not a breakfast person, but since I got this blender, I have been making smoothies every morning. So this is how big the blender is, and I'm going to leave a link below to let you guys know where I purchased it from so you can get yours. So it's nothing special to it. It comes with a USB cable that can connect to your computer or to a plug, whichever is convenient for you. So every morning, this is what I do. Of course, I do wash it at the end of the day when I get home. But it has a plug. That's where the USB cable goes to. And of course, the power button. It has a blade in it that, of course, blends everything that you put in. Mostly I do banana smoothies in the morning. So I do, because it's very small, I don't put much in it. So of course, I do cut my banana. And if you do protein shakes or protein powder, whichever powder you do, you can add it to it. I don't do any of those. So normally I'll fill it halfway with milk. And of course, this is great if you're on the go. So this way I put everything in and walk out of the door. I can blend this whilst on my way to work, in the car, or when I get to the office. Now normally if I do have other things like spinach or carrots, whatever I want to add onto it, because it's so small, I'll go ahead and blend this, and so when it mixes down or when it goes down a little bit, I can add other veggies or fruits to it. So let me show you how I blend it. Subscribe to all my social media handles: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and also our website. So this is the next day. Of course, I'm in the office and I'm getting ready to have my breakfast. So in the blender, I do have the banana. I added an orange onto it to give it some more sweetness. So I'm going to show you guys what's in there. The battery was a little low, so of course I had to hook it up to my computer. That's the orange on top. So because the blender is so small, I blended it down to make some room for the orange, and of course added the orange onto it. So it's hooked to the computer to charge the battery a little bit. It doesn't take long to charge. So let's press the power button, and of course it's going. It has a low sound to it, so if you're in a quiet place, of course it's going to be making some noise when you're blending. It's not quiet blending. So the blue button shows that it's on and it's charged. And it's blended. It blends the products or ingredients very smoothly, so it's basically a smoothie machine. I can't even speak. So there you go. It makes everything very smooth. And of course the banana made it smooth. So let's enjoy. And this is every blessed morning. No wonder I'm getting fat. It's every blessed morning. I love it. I love it. I love it. Easy for the girl, easy for the busy life. Just throw in some veggies with your juice, milk, whatever, and voila. You got your morning breakfast smoothie on the go. I'm going to put the link below where you can purchase this from. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.